We're recording. Ooh. Get after it. Getting after it.
Yeah, I broke my finger on Thursday. So, gym class, you know.
But we're telling people you dropped a small block Chevy.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what it is. So we got our... So, we got the intake off. Covering you guys up. There it is. Had this weird EGR pipe thing that went in. It went in one way, came out like in a U or whatever like that. So, that thing was weird. So, we cracked all these loose. Now we're going to buzz all these loose so we can just put them sideways and then pull out all the push rods so we can get these heads off. And that heat induction tool, sheesh, that thing is, I don't know, we gotta buy one of those. So yeah, we're gonna get that stuff. We're gonna get all these cracked loose. Well, no, we already cracked them loose. Get all these loose. So Grandpa's over there labeling all of our bolts and stuff, putting it using our handy dandy label cart, I call it, with our 1970-ish 350 with the turbo 350, and it turns. But it turns only a certain amount. So I didn't show you guys, but we got all the push rods out. They're all fine. None of them are bent from the looks of it. Definitely has a bit of wear on them though. So now we're going to crack all of those head bolts loose. I'll show you guys doing that. So Dad showed up and he got back from doing some stuff, not coming over tonight. So this is by far the nicest motor we have. So I went and found one spark plug. My arms are dirty from cleaning off our brand new looking heads. And yep, we're gonna put those on quick. And we're definitely going to build a cradle for this because this is the nicest one. And then we can go put it in our lineup of motors. We have quite the collection, you could call it. We have like our big block Fords here, kind of. 351's not really a big block, but it's big. It's big for the displacement. And then we have our 302s. And then we have our small block Chevys. We got our 350, 283, and then a second 350. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Okay. Well, you guys will see us in 25 times speed. Putting this together in like 2 minutes. Okay. Yep, we gotta vacuum that out, Grandpa. So, we just put all the push rods in after taking them in and out and putting them in the other way a few times. Did that. Two new spark plugs, because one of them, the threads were messed up and it was always missing one. That one's broke off flush. So now we're gonna put the intake on. So, yeah, we're gonna do that. It's looking good. Looking good. We should have this. Yeah, we'll have this back together by the end of the night. Maybe even start on our stand. Welcome back to the Missile is Rust YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys who like, subscribe, and do that because that's really helpful. But so we're back after about a week of stuff. Last day we were here was Tuesday, I think, doing stuff. And yeah, I broke my finger on Thursday. So gym class,
But we're telling people you dropped a small block Chevy in.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what I did. So we got our nicest small block Chevy right here, and we're gonna build a stand for it. Still turns and everything, but so we're gonna do that. After that, we still have our heat injection tool that we borrowed from other grandpa, not that guy, but the other grandpa. So we from 8. So we got this unit right here. This is from Action. So we got that thing.
So what is this thing?
It's a giant air jack.
10 ton.
10-ton air jack. Alright, you can just, I don't even know, it could probably barely lift me. I'm just such a giant. Got our, Ammco, the professional brake service. I wonder where that's from. And you got all these things. All this. So we got Ammco, the 4000 series or whatever, the model 4000. So it's you can do, this is for your side feed for that, but you can do drums on this side, you can do brake rotors on this side. That whole separate system over there is for actually like arcing the brake shoes for that. So it came with
Cutting brake shoes for bigger, older
big
thingies.
drums. So
The chip tray
is in there.
goes right there.
Yep, and then you can, this thing's kind of like an auto thing, so there's a lever in the back that you can auto feed it after you do like your other first little cuts. And yeah, this thing's old,
Works good.
and it's heavy, so. Oh, I forgot, it's on wheels. Oh.
It's on wheels.
Also here are our feet pads for the big jack.
Adapters for the jack. Back side of the lathe. Apparently you can do flywheels too, so we'll find out.
I like them in handy. So yeah, we're gonna maybe move stuff around a little bit here and there, and then we're gonna stand.
Get after it. Getting after it.
So we're gonna put this thing on a stand.
There we go.